Right, so we've got the whole thing now. We've got it. So just before we talk about the form of the whole thing, we've got the chorus, which is 8, 10, flicking. So you just got to think about the 5th string movement, right? You've got a wide shape, and then 7th fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret for the wide, 1st fret, the wide shape, back to the 3rd fret. These last ones are picking as you go through. And then again, and then running down into the G, right? So the chorus is... And then the whole form, we have the intro twice, then the going up and going down, the verse. And then the tag. Do the intro again, you go up and down for the verse again. Instead of doing the tag, you go to the chorus, etc., etc., and then you come out with the intro twice to finish.